friends. Have a nice round of applause for our animal friends. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Pets and Agent Encounter Show, where you meet your animal friends. But during the show, I'll be asking volunteers from the audience to assist, and this is your chance to have an up-close and personal photo with our animal friends. All you have to do is just raise up your hand and be with me here on the stage as we bring out our animals on display. Now, before we start, I'll be asking for my first volunteer from the crowd. Don't be shy.
Go, go, go.
Yes, sir. Please make way here on the stage. Okay, come on, sir. Good morning, sir, and what's your name? Sherwin from Las Piñas. Okay, sir, Sherwin. Face the audience. I would like to introduce the 10 animal coming all the way from Indonesia, and ladies and gentlemen, this is Cracker. Cracker here is an umbrella cockatoo. Now, sir, to meet Cracker for the first time is very easy. Just move your right hand and Cracker will give you a very special handshake. Now, both of your good friends. Now, sir, Cracker would like to give you a kiss on the cheek of your left cheek, and Cracker will do her stuff. Okay, a handshake, kiss on the cheek. How about this time? A pretty juicy kiss on the lips. Of your lips, coochie coochie, and there you go. Have a big and for Cracker or umbrella cockatoo, and of course to our brave volunteer. And for being so brave, sir, we have a few right vests to take home with you, courtesy of Residency. Bye, Cracker. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, next volunteer from the crowd.
Easy.
Come on, don't be shy. Yes, you, kuya. Come on. Here on my left side. Good morning, kuya. What's your name? JP from Quezon City. Okay, kuya JP. To meet our next future feature, all you have to do is just bring out your left hand just like this.
Ako na lang.
Left hand, kuya. But remember, anything that we put on your hand, please do not drop the animal. Are you ready, kuya? Yes, all the way from Pakistan and Afghanistan. I'll be calling in Leo. Keep steady, JP. Now, Leo here is known to be the leopard gecko. They got their name because of the spotted markings on their back, and they can reach up to 3 to 5 inches in length. And unlike talking geckos, these guys don't have touch pads, but instead, they got claws so they can clean our skin in just a few seconds. So, ladies and gentlemen, have a big hand for Leo, our leopard gecko, and of course, the great JP. And for being so great, kuya, you have a few right vests to take home with you, courtesy of Residency. Okay, next volunteer from the crowd. Come on, yes, Ate. And remember, the animals that we bring out is either tamed, trained, and non-venomous. Here on my left side, please. Good morning, and what's your name? Rixie from Las Piñas. Okay, Miss Rixie, to me, this next creature feature, all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands. But remember, anything that we put on your hands, please do not drop the animal. Now, Rixie, are you ready? Yes, okay, all the way from North America, I'll be calling in Miko. Come on, Miko. Miko here is a milk snake, also known as the false coral snake. Coming from the family of king snakes, they are the one who eat other snakes. And they can reach up to 6 feet in length, and they colobridge, which means they can stick their prey before swallow everything whole. So, ladies and gentlemen, have a big hand for Miko, our milk snake, and of course to Rixie. And for helping us out, you also have a few right vests. Okay, thank you. Okay, next volunteer from the crowd. Yes, the man wearing white. Come here on the stage, please. Good morning, and what's your name? Mara from Parañaque. Okay, Ma'am Mara, to meet our next creature feature, all you can do is just to bring up your right hand just like this. But remember, Mara, anything that we put on your hand, please do not drop the animal or even throw it. Now, ma'am, are you ready? Yes, okay, all the way from Mexico, I'll be calling in Scrappy. Scrappy here is going to be the one of the largest spiders in the world, also known as the tarantulas. But with those vicious fangs, tarantulas rarely bite people. They often flick their hair as a defense mechanism. and they can live up to 50 to 20 years of age. So ladies and gentlemen, have a big for Scrappy or Honduran curly hair, and of course to Ma'am Mara. And for being so brave, Ma'am Mara, you have a free ride. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, next volunteer from the crowd.
Go, mama.
But this time I'll be needing an adult, a male adult. Yes, sir, please. Wearing black shirt. Good morning, sir. What's your name? Alvin from Paranaque. Okay, sir Alvin. To meet this next speaker feature, all you have to do, sir, is just to bring out both of your hands. But right hand should be higher than the left. Now, sir, are you ready? Are you ready, sir? Ready, all the way from Central and South America. I'll be calling in Choloy. Choloy here is known to be the green iguana, also known as the bamboo chicken. And they can be found on top of the tree branches, 50 feet above the ground, and they can drop straight down without getting hurt because of its tough leather skin. And they say iguanas are much like camels, but instead of humps, they have these dewlaps, which starts sweat as triple starvation. And they're herbivores, which means they eat fruits, veggies, and flowers as well. So ladies and gentlemen, have a big for Choloy, our green iguana, and of course to our brave volunteer. And for being so brave, sir, here's for you. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, down to our next speaker feature. Next volunteer from the crowd. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. What's your name? Jimmy from Laguna. Okay, sir Jimmy. Bring down both of your hands. But remember, sir Jimmy, anything that we put on your hands, please do not drop the animal. Are you, sir? Are you ready, sir? Do you know the Fear Factor Challenge? Yes, from Madagascar, I'll be calling in our 5 Madagascar hissing cockroaches. Steady, Sir Jimmy. The large, wingless species of cockroach that can reach up to 3 to 5 inches in length. And they say that these cockroaches can scale through the glass, and even chemical or nuclear outbreak, they are the only one who might survive. Now imagine those pesticides we use at home. So ladies and gentlemen, have a big hand for our 5 Madagascar hissing cockroaches, and of course to our brave volunteer. And for Big Sir Jimmy, you have a free ride. Okay, now I'll be needing as many as 5 brave volunteers this time. Come on. Okay, sir. And also si ma'am. Yes, sir. Okay, 1, 2, and 3 more. Yes, ma'am. 3, 4, and 1 more. Come on, ma'am. I'll be needing 1 more. Come on. Yes, also you, kuya. How about you, ma'am? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, come, sir. Okay, please make a straight line on my left side. Please make a straight line and then compress yourselves together. Okay, now to meet our next speaker feature, all you have to do is just to bring up your right hand just like this. And wave bye to everybody because this could be the last meeting. Paalam po? No, just joking. Bring out both of your hands. But remember, anything that we put on your hands, please do not drop the animal. Are you ready? How about you? Are you ready?
Yes!
All the way from Southeast Asia, I'll be calling in Tiny. The bound for the meanest animal in the pet trade, and it requires regular contact with the trainers in order to keep it tame. The second of the largest snake in the world that can reach up to 30 to 30 feet in length and could weigh up to 200 to 300 pounds. And now, let's make a switch. And did you know that bisons have a very poor eyesight? Now how they can see the prey? Underneath their jaws, they have small holes or pits which serve as infrared scanners. And their fork-like tongues, combination of eyesight, hearing, and taste. So ladies and gentlemen, have a big and for Tiny, our Southeast Asian Burmese python, and of course, to our brave volunteers. And for being so brave, all of you have a free ride bus to take home with you, courtesy of President Sin. And now, let's play a game. A game invented by the trainers from around the world. Now, I will be naming 2 boys and 2 girls. Okay, Kuya, can you please take off the jacket? Okay, 1, 2, and 2 more.
Wala may free ride.
Okay, come on kids, let's play a game. Come on. Okay, come on. 1 more. How about si Kuya? Okay, here. Come on, Kuya, here. On the other side, come on. Here, okay. Now, I got my teammates. Come on here, on your right side. Okay, all you have to do is very easy. Just extend both of your hands. Extend here, Kuya, on this side. Hands on top of each other. Okay, come on, make it straight. Make it straight, Kuya. Here. Step back a little bit. Okay, make it straight, Kuya. Straight. Okay. Remember, no matter what we do, please do not break the line. Keep steady, okay, kids? Because your hand is gonna serve as raceways. Now, I'll be dividing the house into 2. Now, this side is gonna cheer for Team Coco, and this side is gonna cheer for Team Martin. Now, I'll be calling in. Coco and Martin are race rats. Come on, kids, keep steady, okay? I'm sorry. Steady. Okay, keep steady, Will, make it straight. Okay, are you cheers ready? Again, are you cheers ready? Let's put your hat. Coco, Martin, go! That was really fast. And for playing with your animal friends, here's for you. Okay, and also for you. Okay, thank you.
Race rats. Good job. Good job.
A target stick. And at the end of the stick is a reward. Now let me introduce you to Flash. We're going to use Flash powerful leg muscle to reach for his goal. Wow, another minute course. What do you mean you're not done yet? A warm-up for you, or a warm-up for the cat? No, with that kind of response, the one who's gonna jump here is that funny-looking lady on the stage.
Again, we wanna see Flash jump higher.
Yes.
Asa na yan, Net?
You said your cat was gonna jump. Now, the one that's gonna jump here is either you jump or the cat jump.
Jump, jump.
Whoa, Flash, one more adopted stray cats. And all pets have remarkable talent, but it's up to you to figure out what that special talent is. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our cats.
Ay, ang ganda. Ay, nawa ko. Uy, ano yun? Cut.
And now, false achievement for animal friends. It is the right time to talk about them. Remember, animals, no matter how big or small, has the right to live free from hunger, thirst, or even danger, where humans have to play the biggest role. So do your part. Help us save and conserve our environment. And in behalf of the residents itself, our wonderful animal friends, we hope you enjoy this presentation. Maraming salamat po. Goodbye, everybody. And as a thank you for your support, you can have a close and personal photo with our animal friends. Free photo opportunity courtesy of residents in.